right, guys. Ask a Felon back here with another one. I was asked the question, can you trust anyone in prison? And I guess that depends on who you are as a person and who you click with. I've seen some really stupid people in there, not trying to dog nobody or anything like that or act like I'm better than anybody. But I have seen some really stupid people in there and they trust anybody. Me, I was quiet, kept to myself. You'll eventually come across people that you click with. If you got when you got a bunkie, you have to learn how to get along with people for one. Like I seen people in there that was whole face tattooed. When I first got in there, it was intimidating. Big giant dudes. Like one of my bunkies was a real big muscle bound black guy. He was cool. It was real, is what it was. It was a legit real person, not like somebody trying to fit in somewhere and be fake. And I had another bunkie. He was like a hillbilly. He was cool as hell. Hell, he almost cried when he was leaving me. He's like, "Man, I hate leaving, dude. I'm getting out. And you're still stuck in here. Feel bad for you." I mean, and then I've had a bunkie who was a little snake who went and told on me for getting tattoos because nobody would give him tattoos, and me and him wound up getting into it. I mean, it's really when you're in there, you can see who you would get along with and who you won't, or you can see who's worth trusting and who ain't. Like if you see somebody who's running around and ain't got nothing, and they're always asking somebody, "You got a pencil? You got a soup I can get? You got this I can get?" You can always tell the real people, and then the fake followers. You can always tell. Thing is, not everybody that's in prison is a bad person. You got to remember that. Like, how many of you guys are watching this right now who's done stuff illegal, but you just ain't been caught yet? That's all. I mean, just because they're in prison don't mean they're a bad person. They could have been on drugs when they did something and got caught, and then they ain't the same person when they're on drugs that they are sober. It ain't always just everybody in prison is a killer or some bad, horrible person that's out to get everybody. There is grimy people in there who steal petty stuff. I had a bunkie when I was in jail. Let him come in my room because I felt sorry for him. Little nerd, little geek. Everybody was dogging him. I let him come in my room, trying to take him in. Hey, you can come up here and get in this. You can bunk with me, man. Come find out. Every time I left, that little motherfucker was stealing my coffee. Like just petty shit like that. Here I was, he got checked in from dorm to dorm, and nobody wanted him. I felt bad for him because I've always been the underdog, and I always took up for people weaker than me. So I told him, "Come on up here. You can bunk with me." Nice to him. He would have had it rough if I wouldn't have took him in. He would have had to go down there and get rejected by everybody else like he was getting done, and he would have got checked into another dorm. But me being a nice guy, feeling sorry for him because I got a heart and shit, I'm like, "Come on, man. You can come bunk with me." Thought I could trust him. All right, I did you a solid. Now you'll be good to me. No, every time I turned around, I had something was getting smaller. My soup was getting smaller. My coffee was getting smaller. Well, finally, I had to tell him, "Go on, get out. You better go check in or get out of my room, man. One or the other." But like I said, then I met good ass guys in there, guys who I'd hang out with on the streets and shit. So it ain't just like everybody in there's bad. So yeah, you can trust people in prison. The question was, can you trust anybody in prison? Yes, you can. You just have to be very smart about. You got to be a good judge of character, I guess is the only way to put it. My first bunkie, he was just a goofball. Ran in there, bought a TV off somebody, knowing he didn't have no money to pay for it. Caused a big old ruckus over that. And with him being my bunkie, that brought heat to my room. So it really just boils down to being a good judge of character. If you're a good judge of character and you can feel somebody out, then yeah, you can trust people. I don't know. Not everybody's like that though. There's people out there who could be so scared that they don't trust nobody. Then there's people who are so goofy that they just trust anybody and they don't think about the consequences of their actions. So, but the majority of the time, I met more people in there that was cool and that I could trust than I met people who I wouldn't trust. I'll just put it that way. So yes, you can trust some people in prison. Like I said, not everybody in there is a bad person. Just people who got caught doing something stupid. That's 90% of it. Just somebody could be a good, real good person. They got high on some drugs that they didn't know they was going to act stupid on and made a bad mistake. But the simple answer to that question is yes, you can trust people in prison. You just got to be a good judge of character. Like I say, I met some good, solid guys in there. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this. That's all I got for that question. So until next time, would you guys please leave a like, comment, subscribe, keep you updated on and as I answer these questions. That's all I got. See ya.